Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at your zoom fit and zoom tool for your 3D navigation. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. So now just a quick reminder that this is a mini series on the 3D navigation, and we've already covered the first four. Now we're going to be looking at the zoom fit and zoom. In my opinion, there should have been another little icon here for zooming. So I'm just going to cover what we will be using for zooming, because zoom fit is relevant here. Now, if you use your mouse wheel on your mouse and you wheel it up and down, so up will be zooming in, down will be zooming out. Now, there is something to keep in mind about zooming, which is quite important, and that is it zooms relevant to your mouse cursor. So if I'm going to the top of the star and I zoom, you'll see it zooms to the top of the star. And if I zoom out where it is, that's where it zooms out. So yeah, it can get confusing if you zoom in one place and you move it and you zoom it out in another place. Then you can see, yeah, you start losing your canvas. So then what you can do is you can either go home, or what you can do is just go zoom fit. So when we click this, it will fit the zoom right again. But now something to keep in mind with this, you might think, okay, well, it's pretty much just the same as home. But this starts changing once you start navigating the 3D space. So if we had to take the rotate, and let's say we rotate this, then we zoom. And there's also one thing you will notice with these ones selected, you can still zoom with your mouse wheel. So now let's say we've done that again. So we zoom in here, we zoom out somewhere else, zoom in, and then zoom out. And now we have this awkward thing where we want this more centered. Now you can obviously go to panning and try manually pan it right, but the quickest way is just you go zoom fit, and it will fit this to your view. So like I said, at first it will look like it is the same as the home if you're going from a top down view, but once you get to weird angles that you've rotated, you will notice that it fits it to your view. So yeah, so that is it on the zoom fit. Just a quick recap again. So we have a zoom, which you use your mouse wheel, and depending on where your mouse cursor is, that's where it will zoom in. And then the zoom fit. If you click that, whatever angle you are at, it will fit your plane or your metal sheet, whichever one you added, will fit it to the actual view, as you can see there. Now I can just click home here and we can go back to the normal view. But yeah, that is it on the zoom fit and zoom. We head here to softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and until next one, cheers.